6-footer? That looks like a king size.
Why are y'all throwing it back in the water? You got it? Okay. See, we don't know where. Forward.
Bro, hang on, I gotta feel it. Whatever it is.
I see the boat. It's a turtle.
It's a turtle.
It's pulling hard, man.
Bring it up to the surface, move.
Bro, I don't want it to break my line, man.
Oh my god, dude. There's so many air bubbles. It's gotta be a turtle.
Stop fighting, man.
Oh god, stop, dude.
Man, it just started pulling.
Bro, there's all types of fish right now swimming right here. This is ridiculous.
Turtle!
Freaking A, man. It is a turtle.
You want me to take it off? Here, take this. Come on, bring it closer.
Break the line. I don't want to leave it cooking anymore.
Bring it over there. I'm trying to bring it over here.
You gotta watch that though, dude, because he's a lot faster than you in the water.
Man, this thing pulls so freaking hard.
Come on.
Don't let it bite you, Dushka. It won't take but a second, I promise you.
Oh, he's big.
Watch his leg, though. Is it in his mouth? It's a little.
Hold on.
I was gonna grab the shell. Oh, it's a soft shell, too?
Rare.
Bro.
Come back out. Come on. Where's
Baby, the flyers are over there.